No, Orte.
No?
You always do this when you put like the tiniest bit and no cheese.
Yes, we have cheese.
No.
The cheese is in the boxes. We don't have Old Bay in there. I can always get what you want.
Oh, I'm going to. You can.
Remember, I organized the cheese in those little totes.
What? What'd you say?
The cheese is in the fridge in a little tote.
You know, maybe some hot chocolate.
Good morning. How are you? How are you doing? I kind of fell off the Vlogmas wagon, but it's okay. We're kind of back. We're kind of not. I've decided to, instead of do an upload every day, just to kind of switch back to doing 2 videos a week. So I realized kind of quickly, I mean, I went like 2 weeks, right, with Vlogmas, but you only have 100% to give. And when I'm working on commissions, trying to finish all those up, plus I still work a full-time job and I still have house things to take care of, I still have to train. I was just getting very, 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 very tired. So that being said, we're still kind of doing Vlogmas, but also we're just going back to the regular schedule, and I am hoping to be more consistent with that, especially now going into the new year. I'm hoping to just keep on with 2 videos a week. My thoughts are Monday and Thursday uploads, but I'm not set on that yet. So what is today? Today's Tuesday. So if we go with that schedule, then it's Tuesday and we've already messed up, so it's fine. So I am currently in the office packing some orders. I have one of these going out, and it's actually going to Canada. That's exciting. I don't have very many orders going to Canada. And then I also have a sticker order going out, which you're following. Which is one of these. One of these. So I think I mentioned in my last video that I added a new print to the shop, which is this one here. And I also now have the original to share with you. So this is getting ready to be sent out to Wisconsin for an art show. So I decided to go ahead and make some prints of it. So if you love this as much as I do, you should definitely get a print. I'm very excited that this is going to be in a show. I really love the prints as well. I have 2 sizes available. There's 6x6 and an 8x8. The original is a 6x6. I was going to kind of talk about this painting a little bit. I don't think I've really talked about it here ever. So this is called Morning Glow, and it is actually inspired by my backyard. This is our clothesline back here. We have a bunch of trees and bushes that line the fence line. This dirt path here used to be grass, but Bee has ran up and down the fence line chasing the neighbor dog, so now it's just a dirt path. And I really just wanted to capture the sunlight coming in through the trees. So if you didn't know, we purchased this home over the summer, and I was outside with Bee, and the light was just coming in when I took a reference photo for it, and it was just kind of like a message from my grandma that it was the right choice to buy the house. It just felt very warm and cozy outside, and you know, you just know that feeling, like everything felt like what was supposed to happen was happening, and everything was good. So I had to paint this. I hope that I captured that warm, fuzzy feeling, and I'm very excited for it to be seen out in Wisconsin. So again, if you want to print, those are up in the shop. And also another exciting little update, I just designed and ordered the sample of a new design that's coming, and I'm very, very excited. It's similar to a design that I already have, but the colors are different. The sweatshirt is different color, and yeah, I'm just really excited to share that with you. I don't want to share too much about it until it comes in, but I will be sure to do an unboxing with you as soon as it gets here. She's got the little head tilt and everything. She has a little pink sweater on, and I have another one to paint, and yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap up today's vlog here. Again, I will see you in the next one. It won't be tomorrow. We're gonna do 2 uploads a week. I haven't been set on the date yet, so we'll work that out. But if you haven't subscribed, be sure to, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. We're gonna do 2.